Welcome to my house and Dempsey's playroom, otherwise known as the science lab. You just got done watching a video where there were multiple times that objects transferred energy from one to another, to another, to another, many times over. Now, we know that energy gets transferred when one object collides with another. And we've spent a lot of time throughout the year using the word energy. But in Unit 5, we're going to try to understand a little bit more about what exactly is this concept of energy and try to answer some deeper questions so that we can understand it more fundamentally. In order to do that, you are going to be starting by creating your own observational experiment where you're going to collect data and make some observations. I've created 4 setups as examples. You're going to pick one of the 4 or your own creative idea in order to perform a similar experiment. Let me show you the 4 setups I set up. Now, you might do an experiment where you try to increase the graham cracker smashing ability of a book, for example. You might do, there you go, Moxie, you can have that. You might do an experiment where you try to increase the clay smashing ability of a wooden block. And when you do this experiment, you're going to do it multiple times using the same setup, but changing one variable about the setup. So for example, I'm going to drop this wooden block from this height onto the clay and see how much it smashes. Then you would do another example and see how much it smashes, doing something a little bit different. So here's clay smashing ability. Oh, that didn't go so well. Oh well. You might have a toy car and a cup and a ramp to see how much cup pushing ability this toy car has. And you could measure how far the cup goes. Or I've set up one more example here in the bathtub. I've got a ball, and you could see how much water smashing ability and how you could change the water smashing ability of this ball. So, those were 4 different examples where you would take one of those examples and you would change the variables in order to increase the amount that it did something. So increase the amount that it crushed a graham cracker, increase the amount that it smashed clay, or increase the amount that it pushed a cup, increase the amount that the water splashed. You might have your own creative idea, and I'd love to see it. I want you to videotape your experiment, and you can use multiple clips, but keep it all to about 30 seconds altogether. Got it? I think you can do it. I'm excited to see your experiments. Good luck.